And here are the Amazon Basic Economy 3-ring binders. These things are awesome. You're going to get 4 of these. They're all 1.5 inches. What I like about them is they also have a pocket on the inside as well. It's not like you're going to put anything majorly thick in there, but it still gives you the option. Nice D-ring ring there in the middle. I'm going to use these for card collecting. So you can put these protectors, page protectors, then these are the Ultra Pro 9 pocket sleeve protectors right here. But that will hold a ton of cards, especially if you get it, level. But anyway, these are great 3-ring binders. They're going to do exactly what I need them to do. And also they do have on the front, they do have a pocket here and one on the back as well. So if you want to put any type of design, you could have a piece of paper, draw your design or whatever, print it out, and then slide that in the front and down the side as well. So that's also good for when you're stacking them like this on a shelf and you want to be able to read the outside and see what it says and what's inside that 3-ring binder. So anyway, I may do that, but these are great. It's going to do exactly what I need, so I can highly recommend these. You should for sure check these out.